Hello, how are you? This is Talk with Burnley. Happy October and happy Independence, Nigeria. Yemi Alade has a new album titled Woman of Steel, and she's got lovely videos to it as well. Check it out. Now, some people think that the truth is bitter, but I've got juice for you, and it's bitter leaf. It's not that bitter, but it's the truth. Now, you can find bitters in most places around the world, but these ones you can buy from the market or pluck it around you. Make sure you rinse nicely and juice it out by squeezing. You can have it straight or you can have it with any cocktail you like, or you can just add any drink you like. Now, it's very good as a detox. It's also very good as preventive medicine. If you're looking to improve your health habits as well, you can have this. It's so good. It also cures a lot too. Now, however you make it, let me know. Comment under this video. Thank you for watching. Remember, check out Art by Bonley on Instagram and Best Bargain Deals Angie on Instagram. God bless you. I love you.